welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Home Depot discount promo code in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Home Depot discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this 10% discount with military, all you need to do is select get promo code right here. And as you can see, there is no discount code required. All you need to do is select continue to this offer and you'll be redirected to the website where the discount will be applied automatically. Also, going back to our main search right here, we also have this website, Retail Me Not. And as you can see right here, we also have some deals and promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this free delivery, all you need to do is select Get Deal. And right here also, you don't need a promo code. You can just simply select Start Shopping from right here, and you'll be redirected to the website, and you'll get the free shipping right here. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.